Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Frédéric is a small parish municipality in the Beauce Centre Regional County in the Chaudière-Appalaches region of Quebec. It has a population of about 1,100 people, most of them living in houses spread across farms and quiet country roads. The village sits inland from the St. Lawrence River in a landscape of fields, woods, and gentle hills, with the main route 112 running through it. The area that is now Saint-Frédéric was opened for settlement in the mid-1800s as people from the St. Lawrence Valley moved further inland to clear new land. The first parish was created in 1851 under the name Saint-Frédéric, honoring a local priest named Abbé Frédéric Caron. The parish church became the center of public life, drawing families who came to farm the surrounding land. Over time, homes, schools, and small businesses grew up around the church and along the main roads. The village grew slowly, supported by farming, small local services, and a close-knit community. By the early 1900s, the population had passed 1,500 people, but it later stabilized around 1,000 residents. The municipality covers about 72 square kilometers, with most of the land used for agriculture and forest. The name Saint-Frédéric has stayed the same, even as the surrounding region has changed. Throughout the 20th century, Saint-Frédéric remained a mainly rural community. Families worked on farms, raised animals, and grew crops that supplied nearby towns and markets. Some residents also worked in nearby Beauce area industries, including wood and metal shops. The main road through town connected Saint-Frédéric to larger centers like St. George and Lac-Etchemin, giving residents access to more services without leaving the rural way of life. Today, Saint-Frédéric is known for its open fields, mature trees, and low-rise buildings that follow the contours of the land. The church and the town hall form the core of the village, while houses and farms stretch out in every direction. The population is slightly above 1,000, and it has grown steadily in recent decades, even as agriculture remains important. For a traveler, Saint-Frédéric offers a straightforward look at a Beauce parish town where farming, history, and local ties shape the rhythm of everyday life. for watching!